Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Chromium-based browser you'll use. Sign into the profile where you want Quillbot. Once done, make sure the browser is updated so extensions install cleanly and conflicts are minimized. Next, open the Extensions menu and enable developer features only if needed for manual installs. This initial setup speeds installation and avoids account mix-ups. If you store passwords or sync, decide which profile receives the extension now to keep your workflows consistent. Search your browser's web store for Quillbot and locate the official extension listing. Check the publisher name to confirm authenticity. Click Add to Browser and review requested permissions. Accept only if they match expected behavior, like reading text on pages you edit. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar so it's always visible. If prompted to sign into Quillbot, use your account credentials. This links the extension to your subscription and enables full features immediately. To finish, open any editable page, click the Quillbot icon and run a quick paraphrase to confirm functionality. This validates permissions and account linkage. If it fails, disable other extensions temporarily to identify conflicts, then reload the page. Make sure the extension and browser are updated. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the extension, which clears corrupted data. One key troubleshooting tip: clear site data for the page and retry. This often resolves permission or caching issues without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.